Hey, what's up, YouTube? I am Henry Vernon from ACC Driving School. I'm gonna run through the driving test with a student. Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay, so before I get into the video, though, I have a few things I need to say. First thing, the most important thing that we need to get before you come to the DMV or while you're at the DMV to take your driving test is to get out of your head. Get out of your head. Stop stressing. Stop thinking negatively. You know, when you come to the DMV thinking you're going to fail, it's a good likelihood that you will fail. So come with a positive, I'm going to pass the driving test attitude. That's my advice. Just think positively and manifest a positive outcome, and you will see a big difference. Because the main reason why people fail is because they stress themselves out and they stay in their heads, overthink it. Alright, again, I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Sequence Sound, if you're into reggae, dancehall, sound system. Exotic car culture, if you like cars. I do a lot of car shows, car events. And this channel, ACC Driving School. I have the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes on the website. The 4-hour and the 6-hour class that's required before you take your written test. The 6-hour is for people under 18. The 4-hour first-time driver class is for people over 18. They're all available on the website, accdriverseducation.com. And again, if you need the third-party driving test, DMV appointments are easy to find, but if you still want to do that third-party driving test, you can call me up at 954-588-8075. Alright, so let's get into the video. So they're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left away from the curb.
What else?
Put the car in brake. Then lift the e-brake and then turn off the ignition.
Put the car in park.
Put the car in park. Yes. Put the car in park. And then you lift the e-brake and then you turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. Alright, go ahead. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. Alright, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Alright. Straighten the wheel. Alright. So they're making you turn all the way left to check your left front tire, all the way right to check your right front tire. They're letting you do the turn signal so you can check. They're going to be outside checking your turn signal lights. Press the brake, they're checking your brake lights. Press the horn, they're checking your horn. They will not take you out in the car if any of those things are not what they're supposed to be. The lights has to be working, the horn have to work, the tires have to be decent. They don't have to be brand new tires, but they can't be bald tires either. Alright? So now the examiner will get into the car and tell you basically to listen and follow instruction. So we're going to reverse from here and we're going to go to the left. So go ahead. Keep the wheel straight, look behind, and turn. As soon as your mirror is past the end of the line, the parking lot line, you're looking behind still, turn all the way left. Put the car in drive. We're going to go to the stop sign, we're going to make a left. So as soon as they tell you that you're making a left turn, you're going to signal left, right? So signal left. If you don't signal, you will lose 4 points for each time that you don't signal. So make sure you signal every time, because you don't want to lose points for not signaling. That's just too simple. Alright, go ahead. So we're going to go down to the stop sign and we're going to make a left turn. So you stay on your right side, you're driving maximum 10 miles per hour, because this whole entire test is done in a shopping center. So we're coming up to the stop sign, we're going to signal left, and we're going to stop at the stop sign. You stop here, you're going to make sure it's clear, look both ways, and then go 1, 2, 3 in your head. Don't go counting out loud.
What happens if I count during the test?
They're gonna be looking at you weird. That's
looking at me weird.
I mean, you still pass your driving test, but they're still gonna be like, what the hell? Yeah, they're gonna be looking at you weird. So count in your head. That's all. Just keep it to yourself. That's your business. So we're going down into the end of this little area by the dumpsters. There's always a bunch of raccoons down here.
Oh, talking about a raccoon. What's up?
They're always over here, dude.
Wow.
They are always. Sometimes you look and there's like 10 of them over here. Always. My first TikTok was right there. It was like a
Really?
dozen raccoons.
No way.
Make a right. Yeah. Take your time, go around the corner, stay in your right lane, and then they're gonna tell you to stop, like right here. Straighten the wheel and stop. Straighten the wheel first before you hit that gas pedal. Alright, stop here. Now they're gonna tell you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. Alright. And stop. Alright, now we're gonna reverse in a straight line, look behind, and roll straight back. No gas, just let it roll. Keep the wheel straight, roll straight back until I say stop. Okay, that's good enough. Stop. Put it in drive. We're gonna go down to the end and make a left. It's a good thing I recognize the slow motion, bro. I would have finished this
Yeah.
video and see that it's in slow motion. That would have sucked. Alright, stay close to the right side, and then we're going to park in between this cone. So again, you signal left. Signal every single time. So you're gonna take your time, nice and easy. Roll into the space, nice and slow. And straighten up in the middle, like that. Cool. Alright, reverse, straight back. When your mirror is past the pole, you're gonna turn all the way to the right, like that. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, you're gonna to the middle of the line, stop there. When the mirror gets to the middle right there, you're gonna stop, put it back in drive. Pull close to the right side, we're gonna do the 3-point turn. Close to the right, nice and easy. Complete stop right here. Signal left, turn all the way left. Okay, put it in reverse, all the way to the right. All the way right. Look over your left shoulder in reverse. All the way until it stops. When your mirror is past the middle, then you're going to stop. Go back a little bit more, like that's good. Put it back in drive. Signal left again. Turn all the way left. Alright, go to the stop sign, make a left turn. Complete stop. 1, 2, 3. Looks like it's gonna rain, dude. So we're gonna make the left turn here and then make the quick left turn, and we're gonna park, and that'll be the end of it. Take your time. Make a left and then a quick left into the right lane. Alright. Now we're gonna park on the left side. Straighten up and stop. Put the car in park. Cool. How you think you did?
I think I did pretty well.
You did good?
Thank
You did good. You got it. You didn't get it at first, but you got it.
Yeah, I got it now.
Yeah. I keep saying to my students, practice makes perfect. And I mean, there's nothing you can do to substitute for practice. For everyone trying to take a shortcut, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you get, right? So that's what I'm going to suggest. Practice more and worry less, right? That makes sense?
No overthinking anything.
No overthinking. Practice more, worry less. All right, again, I'm going to ask you guys to subscribe to my other channel, Sequence Sound. If you're into music, exotic car culture, if you love cars, and this channel is ACC Driving School. And again, the 4, the 8, the 12-hour traffic ticket classes are on the website, accdriverseducation.com. The 6-hour class for teenagers and the 4-hour class for adults. The class you need before you take your written test is on the website. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.